Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to launch an online course, you're probably deciding between two of the most popular LMS or learning management systems out there, LearnDash and Tutor LMS. Both platforms promise to help you create and manage courses, but which one is the best for your needs in 2025? In today's video, we'll compare them based on features, support, and overall experience to help you decide which one is right for you. Quick disclaimer, everything I'm sharing in this video is based on public research and my personal opinion. I'm not affiliated with either LearnDash or Tutor LMS, just providing you with a detailed comparison. Let's start with LearnDash. With a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot from over 130 reviews, LearnDash is one of the most established LMS platforms around. It's known for being simple yet effective, offering a robust set of features including advanced quizzes, certificates, drop content, and much more. Users rave about LearnDash's customer support. One reviewer said LearnDash customer support is outstanding. They provide quick and clear solutions, often with step-by-step instructions or even screenshots. So if you're looking for reliable support, this platform delivers. On the flip side, Tutor LMS is an impressive 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot with over 270 reviews, slightly edging out LearnDash. Tutor LMS also delivers or offers advanced features such as multimedia lessons, quiz creation, and course certificates. However, some users have expressed frustration with specific features. For example, one reviewer said the grading option is very bad. After using it for 3 years, they should have improved it by now. While support is generally great, one reviewer mentioned how helpful Deep Saha was. Some users feel certain features could use more polish. So LearnDash versus Tutor LMS, which one is the better platform for your online courses in 2025? If you're looking for a simple, reliable platform with outstanding customer support and a proven track record, LearnDash might be the better choice for you. However, if you're willing to take a bit more of a risky for slightly better pricing and good features with solid support, Tutor LMS could be a great fit, especially if they continue improving areas like grading. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, but overall it comes down to your specific needs. I'd recommend trying out both since they offer free demos, and seeing which one suits your workflow best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.